Only 1% of people get this right. Let's test you real quick. 8 divided by 4 open bracket, 2 plus 2 close bracket. Most people rush this and say the answer is 1. Did you also get 1? Good, but that is actually wrong. And the reason is simple. You did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Now, pay close attention because this is where most people make mistakes. PEMDAS stands for P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. But here is the part many people don't understand. Multiplication and division have the same priority. Addition and subtraction also have the same priority. So you do not pick which one to solve first. You always solve from left to right. That is the secret rule most people ignore. Now let me show you 2 quick examples before we return to the main question. First example, 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Many people will try to multiply first, but that is wrong. We go from left to right. 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8. So the correct answer is 8. Second example, 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Again, we go left to right. 16 divided by 4 gives 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8. Simple, right? Now listen carefully. If you are enjoying this and you want more videos that will make your brain sharp, subscribe right now. Because only people who truly understand this rule will get the next part correct. Now, let's go back to the main question. 8 divided by 4 open bracket, 2 plus 2 close bracket. First, we solve inside the bracket. 2 plus 2 gives 4. So now the expression becomes 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. Now we apply the rule again. We go from left to right. 8 divided by 4 gives 2. Then 2 multiplied by 4 gives 8. So the final answer is 8. If you got 1, you fell for the trap. Now drop your answer in the comments and tell me if you got it right before the explanation.